Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming to you with an awesome weight loss aid. This is so simple, you guys, and all you have to do is drink this 20 minutes before you eat a meal. And what this is going to do, it's going to fill you up. It's going to make you feel full, so this way you don't overeat. It's going to also help you with calories because you're going to be eating less, so you're not eating as much calories. And this is wonderful and natural, and it's going to also fill you with fiber, so it's going to stir up the things in your stomach, in your intestines, and it's going to get you to going. Okay, simple and easy. You won't even believe it. All right, so what you're going to need for this is some flax seeds. All right, ground flax seeds preferably. And you're going to take a teaspoon of flax seeds and put it in your cup. Next, you're just going to take some hot boiling water and pour it on top. Then all you got to do is cover it and just let it sit for 5 minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. And that's it. And what this is going to do is your water is going to get a little bit thick. And that's just right, because you want that thickness. This is going to swell. All right. And this is why it helps you to also lose weight and eat less, because you're going to feel full because of the way it's swelling. Flax seeds, once it's boiled in hot water, it turns into like a gel substance and it swells. Okay. So once it cools down, you can sweeten it with some organic honey. Okay? And you can put a teaspoon of honey inside your tea. If you don't have honey, you can use stevia or a guava syrup, but this is wonderful. All right? So you drink this 20 minutes before each meal. Drink this 3 times a day. Even drink it right before bed. This is wonderful, and it will not hurt you. If anything, it's going to take your weight loss performance to another level, because this is going to boost your body up. Drink this 3 to 4 times a day before each meal, and you will eat less because the flax seeds is going to swell in your belly. And this is a natural, healthy herb full of fiber, full of antioxidants. It is wonderful. Okay, so I'll also list the benefits of flaxseed on the side, so this way you can see for yourself how powerful this tea is. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Drink this 20 minutes before your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. All right, and even before bed. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Also, share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And you guys, check down below for these wonderful links that I have for the personal NUTRIBULLET, as well as the full-size NUTRIBULLET, as well as these wonderful reusable metal straws, which are safe for the environment. All right. And you guys, check my other channel out, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care video, skincare video, fashion hauls, story times, family challenges, and more. All right? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget, your auntie and big sis loves you, and I will see you again in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all. Okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.